Where that a man watching her jumps up from the sidewalk, unzips his pants, and starts following her. Then, within seconds, a
Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our video with me, Mahes.
Fala, Amor.
And today we will talk about our campus, that Yogyakarta State University. So Fala, can you explain to
Okay.
our audience about our campus?
Okay, I will. Can you hold the camera, Mas?
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about my experience. First, it was amazing in my mind. I got a great friends, cool teacher, and all many things. But there was some annoyance to me, especially the discomfort on the campus. Okay, when you go to the canteen, which is behind me, there will be a bunch of college students smoking in here. In fact, the university's regulations state that the campus environment is smoke-free. Okay, apart from the canteen area, I think the classroom also has something that makes it uncomfortable, namely the trash bin crisis. So, it takes enough time to look for a trash can. The most important thing, and what needs to be paid attention to, is the problem of sexual harassment. There was a bit several case related to sexual harassment, especially at the junction near Angkringan Palex, right here. Okay, sexual harassment can be verbal, symbolic, psychical, or on social media. Based on one study at the University of Pajajaran, sexual harassment corresponding due to a person lack of understanding about what action constitutes sexual harassment. The consequences of sexual harassment, explained by psychologists further, are that it has an impact on social media and mental life of the victim, sometimes leading to feeling of wanting to commit suicide. Therefore, stop sexual harassment in the campus environment.
Okay, sexual harassment is not only happen in various parts of the world. There has been a lot of sexual harassment, including published by many teams. Sexual harassment in Japan rate 66%, around the same level as the 66% in the 2022 survey and the 55 in 2020.
Even in Indonesia, State in Law Number 12 of 2022 for countering criminal acts of sexual violence, it regulates the prevention, handling, protection, and recovery of all forms of criminal acts of sexual violence.
The physical legal impact on victim experience. Victim can experience depression, panic attack, anxiety, sleep disorders, self-blame, difficulty, uncertainty, feeling betrayed, anger, and violence towards the perpetrator. Therefore, stop doing sexual harassment.
Thank you, Falan Amar, for sharing about sexual harassment in campus or in Indonesia. And today I was with one of victims sexual harassment, and her name or the origin will be anonymized. And good morning, how do you feel today?
Good morning. Hari ini aku ngantuk sih karena habis ngedit tugas video bahasa Inggris sampai jam 2:30 pagi tadi. Oke, alhamdulillah.
Oh, yeah, that's the sign that I know about it. Yeah. And do you feel comfortable talking about your experience?
Aman kok, aman, kan biar semua teman-teman bisa aware sama yang aku alamin waktu itu.
And maybe can you share about what happened to you?
Jadi waktu itu kondisinya kan hujan. Aku mau nonton sendirian dan itu sebenarnya mau pesen Gojek yang motor, tapi karena hujan kan nggak memungkinkan dan tiketnya udah kebeli, nggak mungkin kan mau dibuang. Jadi aku terpaksa untuk memilih GrabCar yang mobil. Nah, saat itu awalnya biasa aja, tapi lama-kelamaan si driver ini mulai nanya-nanya hal pribadi yang menurutku itu cukup privacy dan bikin gak nyaman gitu. Jadi kayak bingung, dalam itu kan keadaannya macet dan di mobil sendirian tanpa ada orang ya, maksudnya cuma ada aku dan supir Grabnya. Itu tuh bikin aku ngerasa kayak aduh gimana ya, mau lompat dari mobil juga nggak mungkin gitu. Jadi kayak itu cukup experience yang menyeramkan selama aku merantau di Yogyakarta. Dan sebenarnya itu bukan yang bukan yang seseksual itu, tapi kayak itu masalah kenyamanan. Aku ditanya masalah privacy dan sempet diajak buat minta ditemenin ke Kaliurang. Nah itu yang bikin aku takut sih sebenarnya. Jadi kayak waktu keluar dari mobil Grab aku langsung lari gitu sih.
So, have you taken any step in that accident?
Belum sih, aku sebenarnya bingung kalau mau laporin tuh, kayak ini tuh bukan yang seksual harassment juga, tapi itu mengganggu kenyamananku. Jadi aku kayak sampai sekarang masih aku belum bintangin, belum laporin, jadi kayak masih belum ada tindak lanjut dari aku sendiri sih.
Maybe I can help you. So what can I do for you?
Kalau aku sih cukup menjadi pendengar dan tanpa menjudutkan aku. Misal kenapa nggak dilaporin? Aku tuh cuma butuh dukungan buat kayak, kan aku sekarang belum ngelaporin kan. Aku tuh butuh dukungan buat kayak, ayo laporin nggak apa-apa. Itu tuh bukan salah kamu kayak gitu. Itu sih.
Thank you, Anne, for sharing your experience to me and to the audience. So, after hearing the victims, one of the personal friends of sexual harassment was the social impact of victims in terms of aggressive achievement, not upbringing to socialize, and losing trust in a similar environment is something that cannot be denied. This happened due to extraordinary stress in the relationship due to gossip around you. Therefore, stop doing sexual harassment.
Hello guys, this is the end of the video, and for the closing, I'm Maswara with advice to providing giving emotional support to the victims.
I give advice to listen to victim with empathy.
And I also give advice to perpetrators to admit their mistakes and take her responsibility.
That's all from us. Thank you and see ya.
See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.